time, you've got the right body hook and the left head hook. And the card holder's on the front stance, so right body hook, right head hook, and it's vertical. And you're going to be switching like this. So you're going to do slow first. So level 1 is slow, right foot forward, right body hook, right head hook. Switch. And the pad holder just stays where he is. Yeah. 1, 1, 2. The pad holder just moves the hands. 1, 2. Frog jumps, 40-second frog jumps, followed by 20 seconds of push-ups. There's a 22 push-up challenge, yeah, so 22 push-ups in the 20 seconds. We've only got 2 sets of this, so we start with the frog jump first. The low version is just a normal squat, yeah, so if people can't jump, just squat, chest up, weight on the heels, and just sitting right back. This is your level 1. Level 2 is just a jump. You just jump the arms up in the air and pump up the arms, yeah. This is level 2. Level 3, you can jump forward. Do 4 jumps forward. So just stay low, chest up. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then just going to run back. So don't worry about distance. Get nice and low. Yeah, you want to get nice and low. And then run back. So it's 40 seconds of that, and it's push-ups for 20 seconds. So 22 push-ups in 20 seconds. Hands wide the mat. Level 1 is just on the knees, 3/4 push-up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, all the way up. Level 2 is on the toes, and it's 22 in 20 seconds. Half burpees. Now the half burpee is just going to the squat and keeping your chest up. It's a half burpee, but it's not easier, it's probably harder. Yeah, so it's 20 seconds half burpees and then 20 seconds of plank crossover. So the half burpees first, feet wide, you sit right back, chest up, hands inside the feet, hands on the floor. The low version is just to step back. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, chest up. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, chest up. You can alternate with the left leg, right leg as well. Level 2 is a jump out, so both feet in, both feet out. Now lift the chest up on the way up, hands on the floor, jump in, jump out. Jump in, jump out. You're just staying low. You've got 20 seconds of that, straight on the mat, elbows on the mat, plank position. Maybe your shoulders are forward. And it's a plank crossover, it's 20 seconds, so just cross your feet over and back, keeping your hips down, keep it controlled. If it's too much, the low version is just do a normal plank. If it's still too much, knees on the mat, chest forward. Okay, on round 3, it's a jab, cross 4 count, right uppercut, left uppercut. Now, it was power, so we've got to go for power. Think about power. So right foot forward first, jab, cross 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, uppercut, 1, 2. Now make sure the pads is away from your face, yeah, and you're pushing down the pads are again away from your face. So you've got to lean forward. Whatever height the person is, you put the pad at the same height as his head, yeah? So there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So lots of power. If you've got 40 seconds that side, you put your left foot forward. Same again, left, right, left, right. Borrower squat reach, 40 seconds of borrower squat reach, and you've got 20 seconds of marine push-ups. Now you've got the low levels if you want. Borrower squat reach, the low level is feet together here. Yeah, your chest up and you're sitting back on the heels, and you just put one foot out. Yeah, foot flat on the floor, bring it back, foot flat on the floor, bring it back. Try to keep your body nice and still. You're just reaching out. That's level 1. Level 2 is both feet out and in, out and in. And try to keep your body low. You're just hovering. Level 3 is reaching the floor, reaching out, reaching the floor, reaching out. So you've got 40 seconds of that. You've got marine push-ups for 20 seconds. You can go on the knees if you want, hands wide on the mat, knees on the mat, chest all the way down, elbow to knee, and then back up. Elbow to knee, and back up. Level 2 is on the toes. Okay, paired exercise again. You've got fighter pop-up, hook under. So you're going to start with your right foot forward. So right foot forward, guard up, both hands on the floor this time. So both hands on the floor. Level 1 is stepping out. Chest up, guard up, hook, under. Both hands on the floor, step out, step in, guard up, hook, under. Level 2 is you're going to jump back. So both hands on the floor, chest up, jump back, jump in, keep your right foot forward, hook, under. Level 3 is a full push-up position. So hands on the inside, all the way down, all the way up. 1, 2. Left foot forward. The left foot forward on the second round. Both guard up, same again. So you go down, hands on the floor, jump in, jump up. This is a level 2 or level 3. All the way down, all the way up. Try and lift the chest as you come up. And then you're going to go on the floor and you've got a skydivers, chest up, hands up, look at the floor, tense your lower back, and then down, lift, and then down. Fighter pop-up, hook, uppercut. Now the pad holder is holding the hook up and the uppercut lower than the hook. Because the hook is going to go over the top of the pad, hooking up, then the uppercut up. Yeah? So make sure that's clear from the pad. Make sure it's away from the face as well. So it's hook, under, yeah? Power and upwards. So you start with your right foot forward. The low version is just a normal step out. So knuckles on the floor, pads on the floor, both hands on the floor. You step out, step back in, lift the chest up, guard up, under, yeah? Hands on the floor, step out, step in, guard up, under. Now level 2 is a jump out, so jumping out, both hands on the floor, jump in, jump up, guard up, under. The bigger version I just saw there was the push-up position. So the push-up position, they all go down, just to the floor, back up, under. You do about 30 seconds of that, then it's left foot forward. It's a full minute round this one. So again, on the floor, push up, left foot forward, under. So level 3, all the way down.